Hello everyone. Yeah, we will be seeing this function and this basically we will be seeing this keyword in this session. So what is exactly this function or this keyword? Whenever you will be creating any object in C++, so it has to access in its own address. That object has to access its own address. So you will be creating an object which will be accessing its address. Okay, so to access its address we will be using a pointer, and this pointer is our this pointer. Okay, so you will be using the pointer that is your this pointer. Okay, so let's get started with this pointer. And yeah, so whenever you will be using a function, your member function, so what happen if you will be using your member function? So this keyword, it can be used to refer to your object. So you can refer to your object, invoking object, by using this keyword. Okay, so you will be using this keyword and referring to your object, and you can use the member function of that object by using this pointer. Okay, so let's get started with the code. First of all, we will be creating a sample class. So how a class is created, let's get started with the header file first. So yeah, so we will be creating a class. Okay, so here I will be declaring my class. Let the name of my class be uh, let the name be player. So the name of my class is player. Okay, and here in my class I will be specifying public attribute, and I will be declaring my uh, constructor. So what is the rule for the constructor? The name of the constructor must be same as that of your class, and here I will be passing it as a single constructor argument. Okay, a single argument constructor. So I'll be passing a value to it, and if I want to have a value which will be okay, so which will be specifically, so my player will have an attribute, let it be health, and I'll be passing this value and assigning it. Okay, so you will come to know further. If you have any queries, just see the further. Okay, so yeah, let's create a private object, sorry, private data member. And what was with the data member we have created? Let it be health. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so we have created a class which will be having uh, a constructor which will be having an argument which will take an input argument, and we will be assigning that value uh, of the argument to our health. Okay, so this attribute will be directly linked with the health. Okay, so now let's get further. So friend function do not have this pointer. So whenever you will be using we will mark it the point over here, that whenever you will be using a friend, so we will not specify, we will not use this along with the friend. Okay, so what is the main issue of using this with the friend is that because the friends are not the member of a class. Okay, so friends are not member of a class. Friend not member of a class. Okay, that's why we do not generally use this pointer along with the friend function. Yeah, so let's get further. So as we have seen, so we can refer to any member function. Okay, so to refer any member function of an object, first I will have to create a member function over here. So we will create a member function. So yeah, this is our member function that will return nothing. Let the member function be attack. The player will attack. Okay, so you can relate with the game over here. Okay, so what we will be doing, let's say we will be printing the value of the health. Okay, and you have to specify that you are using standard function over here. Okay, fine. And yeah, again we will be printing something, that is this var. Okay, so no, use the health. So we will be referring to an object and we will be pointing to health. So we will be pointing to our data member, whatever you have initialized over here by using that object. So we will be using the private data over here. Okay, Control X. So our private data will be health, and we will be using this private data by using this pointer. Okay, and yeah, again we will be using another technique by using dereferencing method and dot operator over here. So we know we can use either this technique to specify or either this technique to specify. There is no issue with this one. Yeah, again yeah, so that will be this. So these are all the three alternatives which can be used to specify the value. Again, I have done a mistake over here. Health. Okay, so you can these are the three methods by which you can use this private data by using this pointer and directly by using the cout statement. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now we have to create an object of our own to specify the things over here. So we will be creating an object over here. Let the name of my object be hero. Okay, then we will be passing the value to this. Let be the health be 500. Okay, and I'll be using the class over here, sorry, the member function over here, which will be accessing the data member. Okay, So we will create an object. We have created an object. We will refer to the okay. So we have passed this value 500 to the constructor, that our object over here, and this value is allocated over here, and the value of health is now initialized as 500. So whenever we will be and we are using this member function, so whenever the value of 500 is allocated as 500, value of health is allocated as 500, so it will print 500, this will print 500, and this should also print 500. So let's see what will be the output. If any error would be there, we will try to rectify it. Yeah, this.cpp, save it. Yeah, and yeah, okay, so we are getting a error. Okay, so you can see the output over here. We have printed health and it is 500, 500 and 500. So yeah, yep. Okay,